So, you've heard about the cloud. It's everywhere. It powers your favorite apps, streaming services, and pretty much the entire internet at this point. But have you ever wondered how it all connects? How does data get from a server in Virginia to your phone in a millisecond securely and reliably? That's where a cloud network engineer comes in. Think of them as the architects and plumbers of the internet's cloud infrastructure. They design, build, and maintain the superhighways that all that data travels on. It's a critical job, and honestly, it's one of the most important roles in tech right now. Without them, the cloud just wouldn't work. Their job is to make sure everything talks to each other, seamlessly. They set up virtual networks, firewalls, and load balancers. They ensure that when you click play on a video, the connection is fast and stable. It's not just about connecting things, though. It's about doing it smartly. They have to think about performance, making sure there are no bottlenecks. They have to think about security, protecting the network from bad actors. And they have to think about cost, building efficient systems that don't waste resources. It's a complex puzzle with a lot of moving parts. Why is this role so important in 2025? It's simple. Almost every company on the planet is moving to the cloud. Startups are born in the cloud. Huge old-school corporations are migrating their entire operations to platforms like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud Platform. This massive shift means they need experts who understand both traditional networking and the unique challenges of a cloud environment. The demand for these skills is exploding, and there just aren't enough people to fill the jobs. This creates a huge opportunity for anyone willing to learn. This isn't just a trend, it's the future of how businesses operate. The cloud offers flexibility, scalability, and power that old on-premise data centers just can't match. A cloud network engineer is at the very heart of this revolution. They are the ones enabling companies to innovate faster and serve customers better. They are the guardians of the digital infrastructure that our modern world is built on. It's a challenging career for sure, but it's also incredibly rewarding, putting you right at the cutting edge of technology. The journey to get there has a clear path, and we're going to break it down. For more information, please like, share, and follow MC CyberOps channel. Alright, let's get into the step-by-step. Step 1 is all about the fundamentals. You can't build a skyscraper without a solid foundation, and you can't become a cloud network engineer without knowing the basics of networking. Seriously, don't skip this part. You need to understand how networks work at their core. We're talking about things like the OSI model, TCP/IP protocols, IP addressing, and subnetting. Learn about routers, switches, and firewalls. You should be able to explain what a DNS does or how a VPN tunnel works. These concepts are the bedrock of everything you'll do later in the cloud. Next up in your foundation is security and operating